Welcome to this Home Depot job application online guide. In this video, you'll see the types of store jobs available at Home Depot, corporate and warehouse careers, how to apply for a job with Home Depot step by step, tips and tricks to get hired. The new starting hourly wage for all Home Depot hourly workers is of February 2023, and frequently answered questions about the hiring process. Let's take a look at the types of jobs available at Home Depot. Home Depot offers a wide variety of positions, ensuring that there is a role to suit your skills, interests, and experience. Let's take a look at some of the key job categories. Retail roles at Home Depot include sales associates, cashiers, and department supervisors. These positions often involve customer service, inventory management, and merchandising tasks. Home Depot also employs assistant managers and store managers. Oftentimes, these workers are hired from within after gaining enough experience and rising through the ranks. If you enjoy helping others, have excellent communication skills, and love working in a fast-paced environment, a retail position might be the perfect fit for you. If you're more inclined towards a role in business management, finance, marketing, or human resources, Home Depot's corporate careers offer the opportunity to work at the heart of the company. You'll play a vital role in shaping Home Depot's future while honing your own professional skills. Home Depot's vast network of distribution centers ensures that stores receive the products they need in a timely manner. Roles in this category include warehouse associates, drivers, and supply chain managers. With a focus on efficiency and teamwork, distribution and logistics positions offer the chance to contribute to Home Depot's success behind the scenes. Here's the step-by-step guide to the application process. Now that you know the exciting opportunities available at Home Depot, let's walk through the application process step by step. Start by visiting the Home Depot Careers website. The link is in the video description. This is where you'll find all the information you need about current job openings, company culture, and employee benefits. On the Home Depot Careers website, enter your desired job title, keywords, or location in the search bar to find available positions. You can also filter the search results by category, job type, or distance to find the perfect opportunity that aligns with your skills and passion. Before you can apply, you'll need to create an account on the Home Depot Careers website. This will allow you to save your application progress, track the status of your submission, and receive updates on future job opportunities. Once you've created an account, you can start filling out the application form. Take your time and provide accurate, detailed information about your work history, education, and qualifications. Remember, this is your chance to make a lasting impression on the hiring team, so make every word count. After completing the application form, you'll be prompted to upload your resume and any relevant supporting documents. Ensure that your resume is well organized, up-to-date, and tailored to the specific position you're applying for. This will demonstrate your commitment and enthusiasm for joining the Home Depot team. With everything in place, it's time to hit the Submit button and send your application on its way. You should receive a confirmation email shortly afterward, and the hiring team will review your submission to determine if you're a good fit for the role. By the way, just as I promised, the new starting pay for all Home Depot hourly workers is $15 an hour. That's quite an improvement from the low $11 an hour they were paying for entry-level workers a short while ago. Here are some tips for a successful Home Depot job application. To maximize your chances of landing your dream job at Home Depot, keep these tips in mind. Customize your resume for each position you apply for by highlighting relevant skills, experiences, and accomplishments. This will show the hiring team that you're genuinely interested in the role and have taken the time to understand the requirements. Take the time to learn about Home Depot's history, values, and culture. This knowledge will not only help you craft a compelling application but also prepare you for the interview. If you're selected for an interview, be ready to discuss your qualifications, experiences, and how they relate to the position. Practice answering common interview questions and consider preparing a few questions of your own to demonstrate your engagement and interest in the role. So, applying for a job at Home Depot online is a straightforward process that could open the door to a fulfilling and rewarding career. By following the step-by-step guide provided, tailoring your resume, and preparing for the interview, you'll be well on your way to becoming a part of the Home Depot family. Here are some helpful frequently asked questions. What should I do if I don't get a call back from Home Depot a couple of weeks after applying? Then it's time to visit the store you're hoping to work street and inquire about your application. If you call over the phone, you risk not being able to get through to the right person. How long does it take to hear back after submitting a Home Depot job application? The response time may vary depending on the position and location. Generally, you can expect to hear back within a few weeks after submitting your application. Does Home Depot offer part-time and seasonal job opportunities? Yes, Home Depot offers part-time and seasonal job opportunities in various positions, including retail and distribution. What are the employee benefits offered by Home Depot? Home Depot offers a comprehensive benefits package, including medical, dental, and vision insurance, retirement savings plans, employee stock purchase plans, paid time off, and various employee assistance programs. Do I need previous experience to apply for a job at Home Depot? While some positions may require previous experience, many entry-level roles at Home Depot do not. The company provides training and support to help you develop the necessary skills for your role. Can I apply for multiple positions at Home Depot? Yes, you can apply for multiple positions at Home Depot. In fact, it's encouraged to explore various opportunities that align with your skills and interests. This increases your chances of finding the perfect fit within the company and demonstrates your eagerness to be a part of the Home Depot family. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any great job finding videos for yourself, your family members, and your friends. See you in the next video.